Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Henry Got Hustle video. And today's video I'm gonna be going to Marshalls. I think this is the first time I go to any Marshalls in any of the videos I made before. So let's see if we find anything different. Just like the previous video I just made to Burlington, I found a lot of different things compared to like what I find at Ross. So let's hope that Marshalls is the same thing where I find different stuff. And yeah, let's go inside and I'll show you guys what I get. Alright guys, so I'm making line. There is 2 people ahead of me, but it shouldn't take that long. So far we're at this little men's aisle. They don't have anything at all. Let me see this. 30. I'll look them up, but I mean I don't know if they even go for anything. Same thing. Look them up. That's it for that little aisle. I'll just put these in there. We'll give these a quick look up. These are only $24.99, which is actually pretty good for the shoe. I'm gonna leave it behind though, but someone else to caught for the personal, it's pretty good. 24. Not really seeing anything, but their prices aren't bad. Seeing a lot of generic stuff though, but so far, I mean, yeah, like 20 bucks. They're not even on clearance. They're just $20, so that's pretty good. Let's see if there's anything on this side. $3. Either someone cleaned out or they're just dry today. Could be either or. But yeah, I mean, so far it's just dry stuff. Let's see how much these are. A lot of people have been complaining because they cut off the box tops, but actually this specific Marshalls location, which is the closest one to my house, actually has had the box tops cut off since February. So I don't know if it was only participating locations or anything, but yeah, they've had it like that for a long time. This is only $50, which is pretty good. I mean, I'll look them up because they're Flyknit. They're Flyknit running shoes, but I don't know if they even go for anything, but we'll see. So you got some golf shoes on here. How much are these? $3. It's okay. I'll look these up too. $20, not bad. I'm gonna look this up. I have too many things I have to look up. I'm probably just gonna stop for a little bit and just look some of the stuff up. Not seeing anything. Yeah. Let's see these. $30. Not bad, cause I think other places are selling them for like 40 and above. That's pretty good for those. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna take a quick moment, guys, to look at a little bit more aisles, because it's like the same thing. I don't want to be showing you guys the same thing over and over. And I also need to look some stuff up, so I'm gonna do that, and then yeah, I'll come back to you guys. Yo guys, so I was just walking by here and I can't believe I didn't even notice this. Yo, no way. The Pharrell Williams, freaking $35. And look how many pairs they have. Yo, I'm gonna have to look these up right now. That's crazy. Yo guys, I knew these were going for money. I just looked them up right now. They're going for like $150 and above. Yo, I'm cashing out all of the ones they have right now. That's crazy. The only thing that does is they don't have the box top, but that's crazy though. Especially because they used to go for like so much money back then when Adidas was popping. And like the Pharrells and the Ultra Boosts and everything was like reselling crazy. But they're still going for a lot of money, so that's crazy though. I'm getting all of them right now. Damn. I'm about to pay him next. What's up everybody? So I just got home and as you can see I ended up getting 9 pairs of those Pharrell Williams Solar Hue NMDS, and it's so crazy because first of all I wasn't even planning to go into Marshall's today, and second of all I normally always only look at the aisles because at Marshall's they always have like a little round table, and I never even looked there because they always have like generic stuff. But I had to pass through there because I was gonna go look at the clothing because the aisles were pretty much dry, and that's when I saw these and they had 9 pairs. I was like, what the heck, this is crazy. And I just automatically, I looked it up. I already knew they were going to be good reselling anyways because they're only $35 each, so automatic cop, but I looked it up anyways. And they were selling on Go anywhere from like $180 to like $230. So automatic cop, I copped all of them, didn't even think about it. And yeah, for those of you who know about sneakers, you know that this is a really hyped sneaker at one point when Adidas was really popping. And but yeah, I mean, I'll show you guys the comps and I'll put a little B-roll. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.